So hello everyone, now I'm gonna show you how we can make a fillet of whole sea bass. So you can see guys, I am cutting this sea bass from his backside, right? I'm not using now from his tail. Now I am cutting from his backside. So just for the little bit cut, I'm just using a tail side, but I started all the cuts from his backside where is the bone of this sea bass fish. So you can see very smoothly I'm cutting this whole sea bass because I need to make a fillet for our a la carte order. So this is the things which I wanna share with you guys to how to make fillet of whole sea bass. And make sure if you are making the fillet of whole sea bass, so you have to this bone knife, when you have this bone knife, so very easily you can guys make a fillet. Regular knife if you will use, and so it's not really useful for make a fillet. You can see now, so this is the actual fillet which I need. So if you will use regular knife, you could not make a actual fillet of sea bass, but if you will use a bone knife, so it's a really useful guys. So bye.